Father God, what is? Do you need help working out questions like these? Well, stay tuned. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. The distributive property means to break apart and then dispense evenly. For example, if you have the expression A and in bracket or parentheses we have B plus C, we would multiply the term outside of the bracket by those inside of the bracket. So it will be A times B and A times C. So we have AB plus AC. Let's note that it doesn't matter if the term comes before the parentheses or after the parentheses, you'll get the same answer. So here we have the term outside of the bracket and it is after the parentheses. We'll still multiply the A times the B and the A times the C. So we'd have AB plus AC. And this is the case when the terms inside of the parentheses are being added. What about if they were being subtracted? It would be the same concept. So we'd have A times B and A times negative C. We know that when we are multiplying a positive by a negative, we'll get a negative, so it will be negative AC. It would be the same concept. So A times B give us AB, and A times negative C to give us negative AC. Let's distribute. First example, we have 2, and in brackets we have m plus 3. We do not see an operation between the 2 and the bracket, therefore we should multiply. So we're going to break apart and dispense evenly. So it will be 2 times m and the 2 times positive 3. So positive 2 times positive 3. And when we simplify this, we'll have 2m plus 6. The second example, we have a, and in bracket 4 minus y. So we'd multiply the a by the 4 and the a by the negative y. So it will be a times positive 4 plus a times negative y. And this will give us 4a minus ay, as we know that a positive times a negative gives us a negative. The third example, we have the term outside of the bracket is a negative. So we would multiply both terms inside of the bracket by the negative 3. So we would have negative 3 times 12 minus 3 times negative b. The negative times a positive gives us a negative. 3 times 12 gives us 36. Negative times a negative gives us a positive. 3 times b gives us 3b. Now the final question, we have negative, and in brackets, a minus 3b. Now for this example, simply what you're doing is multiplying both terms by a negative 1. So we can just write a 1 there. So the term outside of the bracket would be a negative 1. And we're going to multiply both terms by the negative 1. So we'd have negative 1 times positive a, and negative 1 times negative 3. So we simplify, negative times a positive will give us a negative, so negative a, and negative 1 times negative 3 will give us positive 3. Let's now simplify some algebraic expressions which include a bracket. Let's go. So the first thing that we do in these cases is to get rid of the bracket. So we need to distribute. So we have negative 4. So we're going to multiply both terms inside of the bracket by this negative 4. So we'll have negative 4 times 2x, which gives us negative 8x, negative 4 times 3, which gives us negative 12, and we'll write back this plus 2x. Now we have gotten rid of the brackets, so now we need to simplify, and we simplify by grouping the like terms. So the like terms in this case are negative 8x and the positive 2x. So let's write them together, group them. And let's simplify. The negative 8 plus 2 gives us negative 6. We write back our variable, which is x, and we write back our unlike term, which is minus 12. For second example, we realize that we have two brackets in the expression, so we need to expand these brackets. We're going to multiply the 9 by the a, so we have 9a, and the 9 by the 2 to give us positive 18. Then we're going to multiply the minus 4 by the positive 6. Negative on a positive will give us a negative 24. And the negative 4 times the negative a to give us positive 4a. Now that we have gotten rid of the brackets, we are going to group and simplify. So the like terms are positive 9a and positive 4a. We also have two constants that would be classified as like terms as well. So the positive 18 and the negative 24. So let's group them. So 9a plus 4a plus 18 minus 24. So we're going to simplify the like terms. So 9 plus 4 gives us 13. Write back our variable, which is a. And let us simplify our constants. So 18 minus 24, the bigger integers are negative, so we know that our answer should be negative. And let us subtract the absolute values. So 24 minus 18 gives us 6. As with the other questions, we're going to get rid of the brackets. So we have 13y minus, and in bracket we have 5x minus 2y. So we can just put this as a negative 1. So we can just write that 1 there. We're going to multiply the terms inside of the bracket by negative 1. So let's write back our 13y. And we'll have negative 1 times positive 5x. That will give us negative 5x. Negative 1 times negative 2y will give us positive 2y. We're going to multiply the second bracket by positive 2. So it will be positive 2 times positive 3x to give us positive 6x. Positive 2 times positive 2y to give us positive 4y. So we have expanded the brackets. So now we're going to simplify. The like terms are 13y, 2y, and 4y. And we also have 6x and minus 5x. So let us group them. So 13y plus 2y plus 4y minus 5x plus 6x. We're going to simplify the like terms. So 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. And we write back our variable, which is y. And we have minus 5 plus 6, which is positive x, or positive 1x. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.